Create a centralized food safety station in a busy family kitchen to keep every dish at the right temperature and reduce foodborne illness risk. Design the station within easy reach of your main cooking zone and meal service area so checking and adjusting temperatures becomes part of your routine. Install a mounted probe thermometer bank with labeled slots for different probes so you always grab the right one and avoid cross-contamination. Choose probes with quick read times and waterproof housings for easy cleaning. Add a dedicated timer hub with tactile buttons and a clear display that can sync with smart ovens using simple pairing modes or Bluetooth. Set up named timers for main dishes and sides so you can stop guessing when something is done. Build a shallow cutting board sanitizer drawer beneath the prep counter that uses ultraviolet light or an organized spray and drain system for rapid between-use sanitation while keeping boards accessible. Affix a laminated checklist magnet near the station that lists safe internal cooking temperatures and resting times spelled out for poultry, ground meat, roasts, and casseroles so helpers can follow a single standard. Configure recipe temperature presets on your kitchen smart display for common family favorites so cooks can call up the correct target temperature and resting instructions without hunting through notes. 3 common mistakes are assuming a drawer of thermometers is enough without labeling or maintenance, relying solely on oven dials without cross-checking with probes, and treating sanitation as an afterthought. Label each probe and establish a weekly calibration and cleaning routine so accuracy is consistent and cross-contamination is prevented. Always verify oven set point with an independent oven thermometer or probe because oven heat can vary significantly from the dial or displayed value. Make sanitation easy by keeping dedicated cleaning tools and disposable probe covers at the station and rotating cutting boards by use and material to reduce bacterial transfer. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and design ideas for installing a permanent food safety station that fits a big family house kitchen, and we show ways contractors can connect with families needing those projects. We also host a discussion community where we share templates, installation tips, and real-world lessons so our users can learn from each other and get the job done right.